Hey guys, John Pruitt with Addison Riley, and we are out here at the Health and Hope Clinic in Pensacola off of Olive Road. These guys do amazing stuff, help a lot of people who don't have the means for health care. And we're here today to help them out. And we're going to be installing safe handles in their bathrooms and on their door handles that get a lot of traffic. As you can see, the CDC warning next to us. They're kind of having to do a lot of medicine virtually, and we're going to do what we can to help them out. So I'm going to show you how to install this safe handles on your doorknobs, your grab bars, your faucets. That way, if you want to purchase the material but not have a service agreement, you have a maintenance man, or you could do it yourself. I'm going to show you how easy it is so you can do it. Alright guys, so we're going to install on the front door. Now here's one of the unique things with this product. A lot of the marketing material shows it blue or might show some labels. You can get your own brand put on the label or on the tape. Now what we've done here at the Health and Hope Clinic, they want to have this label that says stop below it on the handle. And that's because they want you to ring this doorbell because they're not letting people just walk in. So I'm going to show you how to put this on the lever, and then we'll move on to the bathrooms and show you what we're going to do in there. So this tape here actually just kind of peels, if we can get it here, get it cracking. This is an ADA lever, so it's going to have a return on the door handle. So we have a big piece, we have a small piece. The small piece goes right here on the small part, and then right there where it bends, that's going to be where you put the turn. I like to run my finger down right here to kind of get the bubbles out as I go and just kind of roll it on. Makes it a little bit easier. Same here. It's kind of like putting on a screensaver on your phone. Kind of want to avoid putting the bubbles on. I mean, if you get some bubbles, it's not really the end of the world, but we don't want the bubbles. And then we just wrap that. And now when somebody touches this handle, anything that hits it that our antimicrobial kills will be dead in 30 seconds, and that'll last for up to 6 months. Now let's be honest, this is the main entry to the door. It's probably not going to last 6 months. When the film starts to peel, we'll have somebody come out, or the Health and Hope Clinic will do it themselves, pull it off and then just replace it. And you saw how easy that is. Now imagine all the people being protected from walking in through this handle. Well, let's show you the rest. Alright guys, so we're inside. I'm standing next to two ADA compliant bathrooms. I'm going to go in here and put the porridge tape around the grab bar that's in here and protect the grab bar from anybody who touches it. We're not going to have any volume in there or any talking because unfortunately there's an exhaust fan that's not on a separate switch. But you'll still get the point. You'll still see how you could do it in your facility. Alright guys, so we're outside of the bathrooms and we moved our way over to the drinking fountains. Don't forget, it's what you touch. So I took some tape and I cut it down so it'll fit the handle nicely right around where somebody's going to hit it with their hand. So we'll just put this on real quick. Road in Pensacola. So happy to be able to help these people. They have meant a lot to me and my family, and to be able to do this for them, I can't tell you the words that it really means to me. But we're happy to place this decal on their front door so people know when they walk in that they will be safe from any germs or any viruses that our product can kill. So guys, if you want to get your facility taken care of, you want to protect your family, your employees, and your customers, give us a call at Addison Riley and we'll get your facility taken care of with SafeHandles. As always guys, AddisonRiley.com, Facebook at Addison Riley LLC, and 850-776-5009.